Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got Peter Rassenti custom knife, small Nirvana here with me for a quick review. But first of all, I need to say a big thank you to my buddy Guillaume for sending this guy along for me to be able to check out. And second of all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what do we have here, because this is a very, very cool one. This is a small knife. It's the small Nirvana, of course. It's a 7-inch long overall length knife with a 3-inch long blade and 4-inch long handle, and it's a very, very cool one indeed. It's a fantastic one. It's one of the most classy and the most perfect small EDC blades around. It's not a cheap one for sure. This is gonna be around $2,800, and it's a fantastic one. It's made in Canada by the man himself, Peter Rassenti. Gorgeous integral mokutai handle, nicely chamfered, zirconium pivot collar, matching mokutai, pocket clip, titanium hardware, stellite core, Sanmai Damascus blade, high contrast. Would you look at the gorgeousness of this guy? Spidey hole, nice jimping, drop point, beautiful. Look at the jacket right over here. Slicer like crazy, super thin behind the edge. It's just gorgeous, a gorgeous piece. Very nice sound indeed, even if it's a small one, guys. This is very, very good deployment. It just flies open with this spidey hole right over here. It's a nice frame lock, beautiful. Look at the detail of the logo of Peter right over here. Awesome sound. The ergos are also very, very good. I honestly love this area over here because it's just, look at that, it just fits my finger perfectly. Aggressive jimping, your finger is not gonna go anywhere, it's gonna stay there. It's just very, very well designed. I love this blade profile. It's one of my favorite blade profile ever. It's just that good. Nice blade is centered. This guy is running on caged bearings. He's gonna weigh in at 3.1 ounces. So really, really nice in the pocket. Great grip. It's smooth. It's fast. The detent is on the medium light side. Nice finger grooves, nice chamfering. It's very well made indeed. I mean, it's good looking. It's good. It's sounding good and feels good in the hand. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.